What do you do when somebody else's project was left undone and you get that house back? So I'm in a home that we had financed. We didn't actually do the work on it. And there was a bunch of half-finished projects throughout the house. We've got, new window, not a new window, not a new window. Bunch of flooring put in. So that was good. Random stuff there. And then we have a bunch of random cabinets put in. But what we're going to be able to do is I'm going to take the countertop. We're going to try to find the rest of these. Probably pull from over there. And put them on here. And then get this painted, finished. Get the tile put in. Obviously fix around this window because it's leaking. And then I had to finish the plumbing and connections, and who knows what the rest of it looks like there. But they got started on some ambitious projects, but they just never finished. I mean, even the flooring's not finished here. Nice, nice side-by-side door, double door, French doors there. Not a new window. They put this kind of flooring all throughout the house. So that's good. I mean, this room's not too bad. Okay, we can clean that up pretty easily. Laundry, they put in like new tile, but didn't finish anything. And that cabinet's like way huge for the space. And then we closed in that door because the park made us take down a big, huge porch. And I don't want to build two porches. We have to check on this. This one was cleaned up some, and then they modified a closet. And then we have leaking that's taking place over there. And then here's where the fun starts. So we had flooring to here. And they tore out 2 bathrooms, because if you see the windows, they tore out 2 bathrooms and tried to make it into one huge bathroom. And, this, as long as it drains, could be fine, but like the finish work is crazy. Obviously a lot of things we're going to have to clean up in here. And that's the other thing is there probably was a hole here for a toilet, and you can tell here there was a wall put in place for another bathroom, just because of the way the lights are, the vent. And then, so kind of crazy. Windows are kind of crazy as well. So what we're going to do is get this back into being another bathroom. Hopefully we have a connection point here. As you can see, we've got some subfloor that's been pulled up. And people are living in this home this way. It's kind of crazy, huh? Never did quite get to the point where they finished this. Bunch of random blocking on this to try to keep the ceiling up. So I'm sure the ceiling was leaks and stuff like that. And we're actually putting a new TPO roof on currently. We're going to open this up and bring it over to here, because look at the vent here for your plumbing. So we're going to bring that plumbing over, put a closet, and then this will be the bedroom. The thing that's bonus is we can see what's going on under there. We have easy access to the plumbing now. I guess you gotta look for the positive, right? They left this bunch of material, paint, who knows how good that is. But we also have that flooring that they didn't finish installing that we can put in to the home. So that's really good. That's going to save us some money. And then hopefully that's some of the tile that they were using around the backsplash. And then we'll do like fixtures and everything inside. So you will get somebody else's DIY. And you have to try to clean it up. I do see the vision here. And I do believe that with some creativity and some blending of things, we can end up making this blend a lot better and be a great home for somebody and actually be a 3-2 rather than a 3-1, and be able to get this back on the market. It's a huge home. We spent already $3,000 just in trashing it out because it was just loaded to the brim. They just literally walked away from the home. So we've got a lot of exterior repair that we have to do on this home too. But yeah, sometimes you're going to find DIY. Sometimes they're not going to be blocking it correctly. Sometimes it's not going to be level and you have to go back and clean up their work that they did and hope that's not going to be too expensive. So anyway, just want to share with you just another thing you run across in a day in the life of being a mobile home flipper. Make it a great one.